Oh, there you go. Yeah. So, bakit? Kasi we will do the copy trading demonstration later. We'll be using mobile. Okay? Kasi dito lang po natin na-access yung ating copy trading. Alright, so anyway, let's go first with our topic. Okay? So, I represent Vantage Markets. 15 years in the industry na po. Okay? So, in terms of number of leaders or strategies that you can copy, marami po. Okay. So, in copy trading with Vantage Markets, trade like a master po. Bakit? Because you will be following certain experts, no, in the copy trading, wherein you will enjoy profiting the same way as how they are also making profits. Okay? So, ano ba yung copy trading? So, kanina binanggit natin yung scheme na may leader, no? Alright, so this is an investment method where traders will replicate the trading actions of experienced traders automatically. So this simplifies investing by mirroring the actions of successful traders. Kumbaga, kung ano yung action ni leader sa account at you are copying, it's like you are a shadow, no? Kung ano yung pindot niya, yun din yung pindot ng account mo without you doing the execution yourself. Okay? So, kung nag-gain yung leader, mag-gain ka rin. However, kung talo rin siya, talo ka rin. Alright? So, benefits of copy trading, number one, it is suitable for all types of investor or all levels. Okay? Ako po kahit sabihin na natin I'm a seasoned trader, I also copy. Okay? So, pati po ako nangungopia. Alright. And even Coach Lady, nagkukopya. Okay? Walang masama doon. Nagkokopya kami, pero nagpapakopya rin kami. Meron din kaming mga pwedeng ipakopya sa inyo. Simply because each is specialized in different things. Okay? For example, si Coach Lady, specialized siya sa gold. Okay? Ako po, specialized ako sa gold din, sa indices, Bitcoin. Pero ano ba, pagdating sa oil, hindi ako expert. Pero merong leader na expert sa oil. O expert sa CFD, sa stocks, na pwede na ma-trade sa Vantage. So, there can be leaders who are specialized in different instruments na pwedeng set up ng kanyang strategy na pwedeng kopyahin ng followers. Okay? Now, also, you can copy from as low as $50 po. Okay? So, dito, parang it's a great democratizer. Regardless magkano yung capital ng leader, basta minimum niya na achieve mo. For example, minimum 50, kahit na siya ay $1,000, ikaw $50. Kung kumita siya 10%, sa'yo 10% din. So kung sa kanya 10% ng 1,000 is 100, sa'yo 10% ng 50 is $5. Right? In terms of dollar, it is smaller, but in terms of percent, that's the same. Alright? It saves time studying the market. So you don't need to be in your computer the whole day, alright, and analyzing things. Kasi minsan, that's analysis paralysis. Alright? So, dito, pwede naman na, hindi naman pinagbawal na, porket nangopya ka, huwag ka na mag-trade on your own. You can do it both ways. Okay? And also, this is portfolio diversifier. Another thing is that you can copy more than one strategy or more than one leader. Okay? So that even, let's say you're copying 4, you are diversified into 4 different strategies. Okay? So, halimbawa, ang minimum ng bawat isang leader, $50. You have $500, you can copy 5 leaders na tig-50. Okay? O kaya, iba 100, iba 50, iba 75. Okay? And then, you have your own para may manual trade ka pa rin. Alright. So, pros and cons of copy trading. Una, sa mga pros yan, it's time efficient. passive income talaga yan kasi wala kang gagawin. Di ba? Set up mo lang, let it operate on its own. Then, you're also learning from experienced traders. Kasi eventually, if you're also getting the performance of the leader, you are also adapting to their strategy. And again, that's portfolio diversification. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. You can distribute it across different baskets. Okay? And then, yung mga calls, however, kahit copy trading yan, kahit expert yan, kahit kami, ako technically, pwede pa rin akong magkaroon ng unsuccessful trade. Meaning, I can still get losses. And if I lose, your portfolio, your account will also lose. And you have less control over your trade decision. You cannot call me, message me, let's say ako yung leader. Melvin, mag-buy ka nga ng gold. You cannot tell orders to the copy leader, copy trading leader. You're the follower. So, whatever they do, it's their decision. However, anong decision mo? What is your control? You can quit following. Pwede ka namang mag-stop copy. Okay? And resume copy anytime you want. Okay? And of course, profit sharing fees. Ito naman yung pinaka-cost. Okay? So, syempre, hindi naman ikaw yung nag-trade pero kumita ka rin through the efforts of the fund managers, then you will pay them. Ang kagandahan dito, hindi tulad sa mga mutual funds, trust funds, no? Yung mga mutual and trust funds, kumita o hindi yung account mo, nagbabayad ka ng management fee, Di ba? Dito, pag talo, wala kang mabayaran sa fund manager. Kaya wala kang pabayaran doon sa copy trading leader. Pag talo. Pagbabayad ka lang kapag may panalo. Di follow? No? Ganun lang dito. Okay. So, risk associated with copy trading. Una, market volatility. So, wala tayong kawala dyan, walang excuse dyan. Economy goes up, economy goes down, the prices of the instruments will go up and down as well. And these things, nobody can tell. Kahit na makapag-forecast ka, kahit makapag-estimate or assess ka, you cannot tell them. There is also risk of significant losses. Okay? However, in your copy trading account, as you copy, may settings yan, you can actually limit the amount of, or the percentage of loss for your account to stop copying. So, pwede ka ma-disconnect at a certain loss percent. Yun ang pinaka-risk management mo. But let's say without it, halimbawa, sinasagad mo, 100%, ubos kung ubos. If the fund manager, no, or the strategy provider is not putting stop loss, pati ikaw masusunog. Pag masunog siya, sunog ka rin. Okay? So, yun lang din yung risk. Now, fluctuating strategy performance. Sometimes, may mga leaders na nag-shift ng one strategy to another. So, in essence, nagkakaroon din sila ng fluctuation sa performance nila. Because one strategy is working well and then they shift to another strategy. Or maybe they shift into another instrument. So, isa rin yun sa mga check ninyo sa description ng portfolio versus sa mga tinetrade ng portfolio. Halimbawa, ang description ng portfolio, gold. It trades only on gold. Pero pag review mo ng trade, magugulat ka, merong index, merong forex pair. Ay, teka, hindi yata sumusunod yung copy trading leader sa description niya. May misleading doon, may misguide doon. May disconnect doon, kumbaga. Alright? So, you have to also check if yung strategy is in the, in the description ng copy trading. Okay? And it also varies on timing and execution variations. Alright, so effective copy trading strategies. So kung ikaw magka-copy, I recommend that you fund significant amount for you to copy multiple strategy providers. You only need one copy trading account naman. Parang wallet lang naman yung copy trading account. Pondohan mo na, let's say, $500. You can copy 4 strategies. Pwede mo lagyan tingwa 100. Diba? Siguro sa apat mong tinopya, not all will fail. Alright? So let's say I copied 4, no? So there are 4 leaders. Let's say strategy provider 1, SP2, no? SP3, SP4. Okay? So hinati ko yung pera ko dyan. Pwedeng dito 25%, dito 25%, dito 60%. Ano, sorry. Let's say dito 30. Let's say medyo favorite ko siya, dito 20 na lang. Okay, so halimbawa, ang pera ko 100 USD. Ano, sorry, 500 USD. Happy yan. No? Dito mapupunta yung ano, $125. Ito, $125. Ito ilan? $150. And ito ay, kano? $100. Okay, nakahati-hati yan. Let's say, ito sa performance. Okay? Ito nag-gain ng 10%. Ito minus 5%. Ito plus 20%. Ito minus 3%. So dalawang talo, pero dalawa yung panalo. Di ba, no? Di ba? So dito, kumita ka ng 1250. Dito, natalo ka ng $6. No? $6.10. Dito naman, panalo ka ng ilan to? Plus 20% eh. Panalo ka ng $30. Dito, minus 3. Minus $3. So, dalawang panalo, dalawang talo. Ang talo mo, $9. Ang panalo mo, $42. Alright? So, plus 42, minus 9. Net positive ka dyan. No? It's a gain. Despite dalawa sa mga SP mo na kinopya ay talo. Diba? Alright. That's the beauty of diversification. Okay. Then you can select the strategies based on risk tolerance. So, pag nireview mo, ilan ang maximum risk nito? Kaya ko bang tanggapin yan? Okay? You review regular performance and implement your risk management. Okay? Pwede kang i-limit mo yung stop loss mo. Okay, so getting started. Okay? Apparently, you will need to download the Vantage All-in-One mobile app, which you can get either from your App Store or your Google Play. Alright? So, you have to create your account. Alright? Please see for those who are in the FB Live, tingnan nyo yung sinishare ni Coach Lady. Okay? That is tinyurl.com/fxladyvantage. Alright? So, that's our link. Create a trading account with Vantage. Ang platform na pipiliin nyo, okay, is copy trading. Alright, sulat natin dito. So, platform. Okay, pag-create mo ng account, no? Platform, tatanungin ka. May nakalagay doon, MT4, MT5. Hindi. Ang sagot, copy trading. Okay? Copy trading. Now, for your type, you can actually choose standard. Okay? Your currency, US dollar. Okay? Yan. Pag gawa na yan, makikita nyo mag-generate yan ng bagong account. Kung kayo ay may existing account na, mag-open mo na, meron na kayong live account, tapos open kayo ng copy trading account. Kung wala ka pa namang trading account, pwedeng copy trading account agad ang meron ka. Tapos verify lang by uploading your valid ID na may address. Alright? And then, if you're already an existing Vantage trader, walang problema, mag-log in ka lang sa portal and then click create additional live account. So dito may new account. So pwedeng demo or live, di ba? So new live account and then yung kaninang binanggit natin, tatanungin ka anong platform. Okay? Type nga sa chat, ano ang platform? Ang platform ay copy trading. Napila MT5, pwede mag-change. Miss April Jones, mag-create ka lang ng bago, no problem. Kunwari, nagawa ko po kasi MT5, okay lang. Additional account, pwede po. Alright? Pwede po kayong mag-add. Okay, ano ang type? Piliin nyo na lang standard. Okay? And then, ano po ang currency? USD. Okay? Tandaan nyo lang po yan, tatlong yan. Okay? Yan po yung ating mga details. Very good. Thank you sa mga nagpa-participate sa chat. No? I like active people. Yan. Thank you. Alright. So, once na created na to, mag-pondo lang po kayo. Okay? What will happen doon sa MT5 na pili? Tuloy mo lang. Tapos, create lang kayo ng bago ng copy trading. Wala pong problema ron, Ma'am April. Entitled tayo na mag-create hanggang 20 accounts. Okay? So, kahit po meron na kayong mga ilang MT5, meron po yun. Magagamit nyo din po yun. Okay? Tuloy nyo lang yung MT5, ha? Tapusin nyo lang po siya. Okay? Tapos, add additional account lang kayo. Ay, to same user, same email, kumbaga, same account, basically, same account, you can have more than one account. Ako po marami. Yan. So, pwede kayong maraming account. Alright. So, you can discover strategy. So, again, ito na yung mga nagagawang step, no? Create your account. Para city, copy trading. Copy trading account. Fund it. Okay? Then log in to the Vantage app. Okay? Click Discover tab. Okay? Pag-click mo ng Discover tab, doon natin nahanapin yung mga copy trading leaders. Okay? You like to demonstrate this muna? Sure. Okay? So, here's an example of my mobile phone. Okay? Ito yung Android na lang to, ha? Pagpasensyahan nyo na. Pagpasensyahan nyo na si Android. Okay? Isa ko lang. Yan. Siguro, ilipat ko muna yung ano. Tabi ko kaya muna natin. Yan, dito na lang. Sige. Ayun, lumipat siya doon. Yan, sorry. Yan. Okay. So, dito, punta muna tayo sa Play Store. Pakita natin yung pag-download. Okay? At ano itsura ng app? Yan. Vantage. So, scroll tayo ito, makikita nyo. Vantage all-in-one trading app. Alright? Open. Okay. So, it will ask you to log in. Ano po ang pang-login dito? Nung nag-create kayo ng account, email ang ginamit or phone number. Alright, so kung email, piliin lang yung email na ginamit. Okay? And then for the password, okay? Then click login. Pag bumato ang authentication code, sandali lang, pupuntahan ko lang. Yun. For added security lang yon. Now, you can see that, as again, dito makikita nyo, sample lang naman to. There are more than one account. May live account, may copy trading account. Okay? So, ito po yung pipiliin nyo. Yung copy trading account. Okay? Pag wala pa kayo, ito, new live account. Okay? Pakita natin yung pag-create, ha? New live account. Sa platform, copy trading. Account type STP po ang standard. STP. And then currency US dollar. Wala na pong iba. Please read this, no, and agree. Scroll down and then submit. Alright? Hindi ko po i-click yung submit dito kasi meron na po akong account. So pag submit, mag-create na yan, mag-generate na yan ng account. Alright? So how do you select this of all the accounts? Click the account number here. Alright. So, look at the tabs below. Meron tayo rito ang tinatawag na Discover tab. Okay? Discover tab. So, i-click nyo lang yan. Alright? Provided na pondohan na yan. Okay? So, Discover tab. Nakalagay dito, search, strategy, or signal provider. Okay? Sa pagsa-search, meron kayo ritong mga filters. Okay? Sa mga strategies. Okay? Ito, filters. Pwedeng based sa time period, based sa return, pwedeng based sa risk band, siyempre lower better, win rate, trading category, okay? And then you can just click confirm. Okay? But if you have a list of copy trading strategies that you can search, pwede yun. Okay? So, tingnan muna natin yung sa slide natin, no? Okay. So, use the search bar. Ito yung search bar. And type. For example, TP trading. So, lalabas dito. Okay? Then you can view it. Okay? You can view the strategy performance. So, dito, makikita ninyo, okay, meron siyang return, 57.89 for the span of 3 months. Copiers, risk band, profit sharing. Okay? So, pwede ninyong tingnan yan. Yung ganyan. Okay? Aside from that, scroll down nyo. May nakalagay dito maximum drawdown. Huwag nyo rin kalimutang tingnan yan. So ito, negative 25%, although naka-generate ng 57.89. So pag ganyan, pansyahin mo, are you okay with this? Okay? Then, tingnan mo rin ng win rate. Pasado ba sa'yo? Ano ba madalas i-trade nito? Hindi ito 100% focus sa gold but mostly gold. So, may currencies din, pero mas lamang siya sa win rate pagka gold ang tinitrade. Okay? The 92% of the trades ay sa gold. Okay. So you can browse a signal provider's strategy profile. Okay? So ito na yan, yung nakikita ninyo. Bawat isang strategy, meron kayong makikita. So for example, yun yung TP trading. Ano ba, si Gold Peak. Grabe to. Daghan man o 331% man. No? Okay? So makita nyo rito, 69 copy years, 331%. Tingnan natin yung risk. 18.94%. Okay, tingnan natin ang win rate. Sa gold, bababa ng konti. Sa GBP USD siya lamang. Okay, 100%. Okay? So, ganyan. Yung kanina, TP Trading, ito ay Gold Peak. Pwede nyo rin tingnan si JFX Mana. Ito, gamay lang. 24.6 but not bad. Daming copiers, 196. Tingnan nyo yung drawdown. Very minimal. Negative 8. So, slow but steady to. Okay? Limbawa, si Sundreamer Prime. Ayun. Ito medyo mababa. 1.91%. Pero yung drawdown, 1.67. Okay? So, kung medyo low risk, low return, pwede yan. May Sundreamer Gold din. So, 10%, no? YTD niya. Then, negative 4. Also good. No? Also a good risk return. Okay? So, you can view a strategy of the portfolio. So, kung meron siyang open trade, makikita mo. Sa ngayon, wala siya. Tingnan natin yung TP trading kung meron ba. Wala rin. Okay? Mga tahimik ka mga leaders ngayon. But if they have open trades, you will see what are their open trades. So you can keep a list of your favorite strategy. Parang ini-star all the heart mo, no? Okay? Now, placing an order to copy. Okay. So, nakikita nyo, meron ditong copy button, copy button. Okay? So, pag copy button mo, okay, may nakalagay dito yung copy mode. Thank you, Junior, for the kind remark on Vantage. I agree po. It's one of the best brokers po. Thank you. Okay. May tanong about sa nasa US. You will really have to use a Philippine account po. So it's either you will use a VPN and create a PH account. Alright? But provided you must have Philippine document to submit po. And Philippine bank account to fund your account. Or if you don't have a Philippine bank account to fund it, you can use crypto deposit or crypto wallet. Okay? Alright, so ito yung sa Korea, meron po akong trader na nandiyan. Gumamit po siya ng VPN. In-address niya na Philippines. But provided he has at least a Philippine passport. Okay? Provided you use the link of Coach Lady. Alright? May approval po tayo for that. Okay? I hope that answered that question. Alright. So, ito, tingnan natin yung mga copy mode. Okay? So, once you click the copy, magkakaroon yan dito ng choice ng copy mode. Okay? So, ito yung copy mode muna tayo dito. So, you can see na meron siyang drop-down button there. You can click that. Okay? Para mag-view ng iba-ibang copy trading mode. Ano yung ibang copy trading mode? Una, equivalent used margin. Or fixed lot or fixed multiple. Okay? So ito po yung mga definitions niyan. Okay? Pagka fixed lot, yan, doon naman tayo sa equivalent used margin. Okay. Sa equivalent used margin, the volume of a trade copied onto the copier's account is based on the margin level. Remember, kapag nag-open ka ng account, ng trade, position, buy or sell, magkakaroon ka ng tinatawag na used margin o yung margin requirement, and then meron kang tinatawag na pre-margin. Okay? And margin level. So yung margin level, parang yan yung in percent, ilan pa yung natitirang available na na margin na pwedeng gamitin. Okay? So, mas mainam to, lalo na kung magkaiba kayo ng capital. Alright? Now, you can use fixed lot. Fixed lot naman, the volume of a trade copied onto the copier's account is identical to the preset value. Okay? Fixed multiple, the volume of a trade copied onto the copier's account is identical to the preset multiple to the original lot size. Kumbaga merong tinatawag na multiplier. Alright? Follow? Okay. Then, set up your copy trade order. Okay? So, yung investment, assuming I have, let's say I have 500. Pwedeng dito, ang ilagay mo lang, 50. Tapos, maghanap ka pa ng ibang copy trading na strategy wherein you will put the other money. Okay? But with the same trading account or same copy trading account. Right. Then, sa copy open trades, I usually don't recommend. Kasi minsan, yung timing kaiba. Okay, so pwedeng i-off mo yan. Okay? And then round up. Okay? You can turn it off also. Okay? Now, review your copy trade orders. Okay? So again, dito, pwede mong yung round up, you can, pero, sorry, ako mas okay sa akin naka-on yan. Pero pagdating dito sa open rate, I usually turn it off. Okay? Depends kung maganda yung timing. Okay? Ito, binabasa ko yung kay Binasoy. Pag sinabing enable yung open trade, kung halimbawa, ngayon ka nagkokopya, pero 10 minutes ago, nag-open si leader ng posisyon. So, pag-copy mo ngayon, pwedeng copy mo na yung open yung trade or pwedeng wag. Para doon ka na sa next trade niya kakopy. Naintindihan pa? I hope that answered the question. Alright? Yan. So, meron naman mga strategy providers na pagka nag-copy ka, pending approval pa. Pero 72 hours na naman yan, maximum. Kasi yung iba, gusto nilang i-filter kung sino yung i-approve nila or hindi. Alright? So, view full details ng copy strategy. Okay? By the way, aside from this, na yung investment, yung equivalent use margin, ito, risk management. Very important. By default, ang nakalagay dito, SL is 65%. Pwede mong palitan yan. So, you can drag this to the -5, -50, ayan o. So, let's say 50. Okay, so ano ba, sinet mo to, 50. Sabi-sabihin, pag nag-float ka ng 50%, automatic cut ka. Tapos, disconnect with the leader. Do you follow? Okay, even if the leader is not cutting the position. So let's say copy here out at -50, although the leader will exceed, let's say up to -80%. Hindi ka kasama doon. Pero kung di naman na-wipe out yung leader, tapos biglang nag-recover, nag-positive 20, you are not also gaining it kasi you are out already. Okay? So usually, if you were disconnected, if you think may recovery, you can actually just copy again or resume copying. Okay? Yan. So profit sharing end statement, so makikita nyo rito yung profit sharing kung ilang percent. Okay? Now, managing your open trade, if you have an ongoing portfolio being copied, you click on your copy trading wallet, and then malalabas doon kung ano yung kinokopya mo. Tapos may, for each of them, may nakalagay manage. So you tap to manage it. What can you do? You can add funds. You can remove funds. You can post copy or stop copy. Now, this is what I also advise to most of my copiers. Remove the profits. Na? Let's say weekly, okay? Daily, ganyan. So, pag settlement week na, every weekend, let's say, click the manage, click remove fund. Let's say you had started with $100 and now your capital is $120. So, remove fund. Remove 20. What can you do with the $20? Well, you can transfer it to your manual trading, to your other live account, or you can withdraw it. Do you follow? Okay. Now, you can also share the provider strategy. Okay? Paano po yan? Ito. So dito, there's a share button here. Okay? You can click that one and you can actually share. Okay? The strategy. So, yan. So, makikita ninyo, there's a downloadable graphic. Pwede mong i-click Facebook, or you can simply save, or you can copy the link. Okay, that's how you can share the strategy. Okay? So you can post it on your social media para i-promote mo sa iba. Okay? So disclaimer, copy trading involves significant risk. Okay? Outcomes may vary from original trades. Kumbaga, the past performance is not indicative of future results. Okay? And assess risk tolerance carefully before proceeding. All right. So this ends my presentation, but I will open now our session for question and answer portion.